Hannah, you kept your horse on Billy Jade's farm. Now, you say that you weren't satisfied with the farm and that you thought it was a disgrace. I have to say, if that's your evidence, in my judgment, you are in part responsible for what happened, and you should not have left your horses there for as long as you did. I do not have to come to a conclusion about what happened here. I suspect, Hannah, you are telling the truth, because you're the best evidence I have for what happened, as you're the only person there. The horse was spooked for some reason, I suspect because of the dog or a dog. She bolted and, as a consequence, suffered an injury. Now, Billy Jade wasn't there, so she can't help me with why that happened. But so you both understand, in law, that is wholly immaterial. The way I come to a conclusion in this case is in this way. When you leave your horse on property, you're entitled to leave your horse there in circumstances where there are no obvious or immediate hazards to that horse. Although I come to the view that Billy Jade's farm is run perfectly professionally, and there should be no doubt about it, sadly, people get things wrong in law. And one of the problems Billy Jade has is that on any view, there were hazards lying about. For example, roofing, for example, other metal objects. Therefore, as a matter of law, they're liable for any of the injuries to the horse. Your claim of £426.43 I have to acknowledge. In the circumstances, that is the award of this court. I have to dismiss your counterclaim for reasons which I'm confident you understand. I don't suggest for a second this is a bad farm. I don't want anyone leaving this court taking that view. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
But even good farms make mistakes, and you have to make sure, just like children on property, that everything reasonable is done to protect against injury. If a child had been injured on your land as a result of a metal object or some other hazard, they would have a valid claim. And that's the award of this court. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge.
Hannah won her case, and she was awarded the full amount of her claim. Defendant Billy's counterclaim was dismissed.